Hello everyone, another video with another topic, and this video is specially designed for those who are starting their career in cloud computing. Doesn't matter AWS, Azure, Google, I'll be covering more in each and every cloud provider, but let's start with AWS, and wanted to give you some basic idea before if you are planning for your career in cloud computing. You need to know some of the basics, and you need to have some starting point. So right there on the website, when you go to AWS, and then before you jump to there, if you come to the website and see what is AWS, and this will just tell you, okay, cloud computing with AWS, and all about their platform, all about their functionality, and the customers, and they are secure and fast and all that. So that will pretty much give you about what AWS is. And then it talks about the global network of AWS region, which is another important reason why companies are moving and why these companies have these many regions. And because there are some compliant requirement, let's say for Europe, for Americas and Asia Pacific, because of the data residency. That's why these regions matter. Like AWS has 77 availability zone with 24 geographic region around the world. So in a region, there could be more location, usually 4 location. So if it's a particular Europe region, then it could have 4 countries in that region, and it all depends. And has announced the plans for 9 more availability zone, 3 more AWS region in Indonesia, Japan, and Spain. So they're growing it, if you see that. And that's why you need to know, about the cloud. It's not about just the technical piece of it. Cloud itself has so many areas to explore, and that's region is one of them, because each and every country has their own compliance and requirement for data residency, and GDPR is the most known one. And then they talk about their leadership Magic Quadrant, which is the Gartner Magic Quadrant. If you go on there, you click on that, so the Gartner report will be here, which can tell you they are the top leader in Microsoft, and this whole report will tell you why they are the top leader. And if you want, you can download the report from there. And then you can also learn about the pricing and the products and all that stuff. So if this is the way you want to explore and start digging into this product and understand AWS Cloud, same thing you can apply to different cloud providers, but I'll keep these in few more videos just specific to Amazon AWS Cloud model. So in this video, I just wanted to give you a very high level overview, what it is, and then each and every new video you will have some more content with explanation. Basically, I'm not gonna just read, because you can also go to the website, but if it says something, then I will explore, so you kind of have better idea what they are talking about. And always when you visit the website, do create an account. It doesn't cost you anything. Go there, create an account, and then you can play around with that. Basically, it is a 12 months free tier access account, so you don't really have to pay anything, but you can learn some of the basic stuff which is free of cost, and include the use of Amazon EC2, S3, and DynamicDB, which is databases, and some storage access. And you can always do some identity by default, because whenever you're creating an account, you will get your identity created and all that stuff. So stay tuned for more. If you like it, let me know in the comments suggestion. In the next video, I'll be putting more. Thank you and bye.